this business, the eyewear business of Titan Company, which is about 6 years old now, has become the number one player in the country, is the leader of the industry. And not just the leader of the industry, it has, you can say, in fact, we are not saying, people are telling us that we have transformed the industry. Now, how have we transformed the industry? Much like many other businesses, the other businesses that we got into as a company, which is starting with watches and jewelry later, the industries we entered were, all of them were very unorganized. So similarly, in that sense, the eyewear industry was largely unorganized. As you know, it is not a regulated industry, and consumers were therefore had one very little familiarity with the product. They were going in some sense with blind trust, with the so-called optician. They had no idea what kind of product they were buying. There was very little price transparency. So when we entered the industry, there are many things we did which the industry saw for the first time in the country. Starting from the kind of display we had. When you walk into the store, we have something which is like a product gallery. All the products are laid out on the walls, so there is nothing hidden inside. So consumer has everything out in the open, and more importantly, each one carries a price tag. So every customer, there is total price transparency. You must be aware that we sell frames starting from 495 to up to 30,000 rupees, 35,000 rupees. So we have a product for everybody. So in this kind of a setting, which is what we call the browse, select, buy format, the customer has the option of selecting, from 500 rupees going up to 30,000 rupees when they buy an international brand. That is in frames. The other important point is that the lenses we introduced range from a price point of, again, 400, 500 rupees going up to 60, 70, 80,000 rupees. A very wide range, a complete choice available to the consumer. So these were things which consumers were seeing in India for the first time. The freedom to walk around, select on their own. The other most important thing is that each of our store is equipped with an eye testing clinic where we have the latest of equipment. Each and every person in that clinic, which is the optometrist, is qualified, trained by us. We have in fact an exclusive arrangement with Shankar Nethralaya. You must be aware of Shankar Nethralaya, which is a premier eye hospital as well as an eye institute out of Chennai. So we have a separate training center where all those optometrists are trained, and with the kind of equipment we have and with the kind of trained optometrists we have, we guarantee zero error eye testing. Now this is something again consumers in India saw the first time. So what happens in the store is, even if you walk in with a prescription from a doctor, we recommend to our consumers that please go through the eye test, because we guarantee zero error eye test. And especially if your prescription is 6-7 months old, it is better to take the eye test again. And in all the research that we have done, consumer research that we have done in the last few years, it keeps coming up again and again. Consumers are saying that this kind of eye testing, this kind of, the whole process we follow and the equipment that we use for eye testing, they have not seen. So if you look at therefore the iPlus store, as you know, iPlus is our brand. Titan iPlus is the retail brand. It is a multi-brand store. It has many categories from frames, lenses, sunglasses, contact lenses, ready readers, accessories, and people can buy international brands. So this is another category where the change that we brought about was bringing branding into this category, which is the biggest thing. See, if you go back 5-6 years earlier and look at this industry, people never used to go and buy a frame asking for a brand name. They would just, look for a good frame. So the whole concept of branding, and today, like I said, people are buying international brands. And we have a very good range of international brands in our stores. So with all this offering, both in terms of products, in terms of service, even the eyewear consultants we have in our store are, highly trained. What they do is, when a customer walks in, they understand the lifestyle of the consumer, so they can, as to how you spend your day. Are you spending your day most of the time in front of a computer? Are you outdoors most of the time? And based on that, they recommend what kind of lens you should buy, what kind of coating you should do on the lens to protect your eyes. So these are things which were not there earlier. The industry had not. This is all about, like I said, bringing about a big change in the industry, offering a lot of choice to the consumer, offering high quality products to the consumer, and to be able to offer such high quality lenses that we talk about. We have set up a state-of-the-art lens manufacturing facility near Bangalore in a place called Chikbalapur, which uses what we call the freeform technology. We brought this technology to India the first time. No other lens manufacturer has this or had this facility. And with this freeform technology, from a consumer point of view, the basic benefit is you get 30% wider vision. So you can, from the same lens, get that wider vision, and very high technology lenses we make there, all kinds of coatings we do there. So Titan Eye Plus has actually been a lot about innovation over the last 2-3 years, offering all kinds of coatings which are specialized based on what you do. So if you are, let's say, you are spending your weekends playing golf, we have specialized lens designs for people who play golf. It helps them in doing that, for architects, for doctors, for surgeons who need a certain that high precision while they are performing surgery. So like that, we keep introducing I'll talk about maybe 2 recent introductions that we have done in lenses, which are again, I would say, path breaking. One is a lens called Titan Advantage. If you go to high humidity cities like Hyderabad, in that sense is blessed, doesn't have high humidity. But if you go to Chennai, you go to Bombay, which are on the seashore, and humidity is high, the lenses get, you have this high condensation of water on your lenses the moment you step out from a AC atmosphere, whether it's your car or your office, into the outside, the lenses get completely blocked and you can't see. So this is specialized coating that has been developed in-house by us, which repels water as well as dust. So when you come out of an AC room or an AC car, the lenses do not get condensed with water. And that's something which consumers have really appreciated. The other thing which is very useful for a place like Hyderabad is what we call the Titan Sun Factor lenses, which is typically the UV protection in lenses used to be only on the front. But what happens is a lot of rays come from the back, and then there is internal reflection, and UV hits the eyes finally. So this is a lens where the UV coating is on both sides and protects the eyes in totality, and especially for people who are out in the sun most of the time.